Now, if you need a little bit more help or have more questions about PowerPoint, Microsoft in the upper right-hand corner of the program here has the question mark, and you can see in the pop-up, it's got the F1 key, or click on the question mark, it brings up the same window. And there you go. You have top categories you can peruse through, or you can go ahead and click and search in the online help feature box, or if you don't have online access, like your internet's down, then go ahead and click on this little triangle to the right of PowerPoint help and say that you want to be able to get help from your computer and not from office.com. In any case, go ahead and type in maybe keyboard shortcuts, hit enter. There you go. Shortcuts for smart art graphics, working with shapes, text boxes, other options. And then if you're using this to be able to work in your presentation, you click over here to work on it and it disappears, and then you got to go back down to the taskbar to click on it to bring it back up. Just go ahead and click on that little thumbtack. Well, not really a thumbtack, a push pin. Click on that. Turns it in, so when you click off, it stays there. So you can see what you're reading here to be able to work on your presentation over here. Or get two monitors and maybe have this on the left monitor and then your working area on the right monitor. That always helps. You can go ahead and print it, go back to the home to get started over again if you have some time on your hands. You want to be able to read what's available online here.